Welcome to our class. Today we are going to talk about sugar figurine. The sugar figurine is made into all kinds of various shapes such as characters, animals, plants, and so on, with the sucrose and motors. It is said that Song had a sugar figurine and most of them were in the form of plain as the sugar painting, namely sealed candy. Later, it also has known as the sick sugar and blowing sugar marbles, had sick motors, and sugar are advised to mother, sugar man, and sugar turtle. Creating sugar person is a kind of handcraft of folks. Usually, the master has a burden with the heating stove on one end, sugar and stools on the other. Modulation is done in the heating stove from sucrose and motors, and the color is brown. Some adding pigments also was red or green. Temperature control is the key. Overheating is easy to be distorted. Being cold will be too hot to be plastic. Sugar figurine is not easy to be preserved. In the past, sugar was in shortage and people would eat it after playing with. Now, many people think that it is in sanitation and seldom eat it. According to a different manufacture process, it can be divided into two types: blowing sugar figurine and drawing sugar figurine. Blowing a sugar figurine is to make sugar into various shapes. It is said that blowing the sugar figurines began at the end of Ming and the beginning of the Qing dynasty. When a figurine is made, motors should be first stirred, then pick a little motors on the top of the straw. Blow the straw and the motors will swell up like a balloon, then squeeze and turn it around into shapes. In the end, prick it off from a straw with a bamboo slip and cool it into shape. Drawing a sugar figurine is on a slab of stone to draw with the syrup. The slab should be a cool, smooth marble stone with a layer of anti-oil at the top. After motors is cooked, use the little spoon to apply out lines of designs. As motors cools very soon on the stone and the pouring should be finished at one go. After you complete the form, use a small knife to remove the sugar, then put a bamboo stick. Later, the sugar figurine is slightly condensed. Sugar figurine spreads around Sichuan province, especially in Zigong area. The contents of the sugar painting were mostly birds, animals, flowers, and insects. At the same time, some experts create complicated and delicate dramatic characters. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.